up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for joining me once again. So as you guys seen, we're gonna start the video a little bit different than our normal videos. We are gonna work on the E90 because this is part 4 on the series. Hopefully I finish everything, like wrapping the whole complete car, because we've been on it for legit like 2 weeks and we're kind of behind. So hopefully once we finish with this little car meet stuff, we can get home and finish that E90, because that's like the #1 priority right now.
Just wait till Marco starts up this. Oh shit, it's quieter. Just fuck it. Just do it.
I'm not gonna get a fucking ticket, right?
I'm recording the call.
Yeah, we can head off.
Suspicious, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
Damn, I need to get on his level. Straight up. Oh wait, what the hell? We're all vlogging? Fuck. Damn, that fool came in straight chopping. Chop, 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 chop. Bro, I really want to take on that Supra.
Let's go catch up to the Supra real quick.
Who do you think got it? The Supra? He probably has like pure bolt-ons, or the Stage 2 turbo. We might need to find out. Damn, you're all over you, Patrick, bro. He straight gap you.
You got me take 2. I get straight gap.
That's what I'm saying, you'll straight gap. Alex, you versus him? That'll be a cool little race.
Bro.
That was, how much are you pushing? Like 100?
255.
255? Damn. I think these two would be like a cool ass little race. You got that big ass turbo, huh?
Yup.
Oh, no, look over here. Is that it?
You have to do with the M3? Yeah. Hey, what the fuck?
E36 M3 or what? That shit clean. Hey Patrick, I miss your recording, bro. My hand hella hurts. Oh no way, that's a big ass turbo, bro.
Shit.
No.
Big ass turbo.
Yeah, it's at 54.
Oh, no, big ass single turbo? Oh, no, never mind, it's stock.
Yeah, oh, you're making me shy. Oh,
You're all blushing. You're like, oh.
I know. Wait, did you actually pop your hood? Yeah. Didn't you see my turbo? No.
Bro, his turbo's huge. It's like way bigger than yours. Straight up.
Bad.
Straight up.
Just on the big nose, seen mine.
Straight up. Way down on it. You know, Alex is straight up. Damn, SRT truck? That's just straight. Wait.
You doing revving?
Nah, this will say he's gonna drop the top and do a donut. It doesn't work anymore. What?
Do you have it open? The lock, remember?
Oh yeah, the lock. No, the lock behind.
You think?
Yeah, you have it open.
Go for it.
Damn, that rasp, bro.
Why is he doing that?
I think he has a valve to make it
Some
quiet.
kind of valve. You have a snake in there or what?
Straight fancy ass food.
You ain't gonna feel your neck
still
after
talking over
a
there?
cool run, nigga.
He said he's not cold.
That's an extra 25 each.
Bro.
Fuck yeah.
Hey, Hugo, chill. Don't take it too serious. Don't take don't take it too serious.
I'm about to go got everybody right there.
Bro, my car has seen no action at all. Hey, that's the Mustang that be twinning with me. That fool's on black with white rims. Hey, he's about to pull up.
Full throttle?
Yeah, that fool be full throttle.
Last time I was parked the fucking car in reverse.
Oh, the Mustang.
Go for it!
Wait, is that a V6?
I want to say that you see sounds like it, huh?
Yeah, it didn't sound like.
That's a tune on or something. V-Tech!
Oh, he's pulling up. Oh, hell no. Bro, if you see him pull up with a backpack, we running. Hey, the Supra's back.
Yeah. Somebody message him.
Tell that fool to pull up.
Hey, we saw the feel.
There's a broken road over here, and then he lost hella traction. He started spinning hella crazy. But the 335 one has downpipe.
How do you know?
It just sounds downpipe. Yeah, it sounds like it has a downpipe, and
You don't know shit about 335s.
man, nigga, he's gonna pass by right now.
Tell that fool to run it.
Yeah, he's gonna head over there right now. We'll be right there.
Tell him right now, pull up.
Everybody is the 350. He's running into that car too.
Yeah, I'm about to snitch right now. Alright, so I'm not trying to say like I'm the fastest car out here, but I'm definitely one of the faster ones, and I can't find a decent car to like do like a quick little run.
Let's talk it over. Let's talk it over one more time. Let's talk it over. Let's talk it over one more time.
Speed bump, bro. Speed bump. I know. You're good.
Sheesh.
Get one, bro.
Oh, there goes Marcos.
Alright boys, Brian's about to swing it.
Brian's gonna swing it? Oh, what?
Has Brian ever swinged it? I don't know. I don't think so.
Let's get it, boy!
Fucking clean.
Only one of them is spinning.
I'll go on the other side and get that one. Let's get in there. Go,
Alex!
Go. Go quick, hurry.
Wow, he had all this time to turn it off. ¡Con ganas, cabrón! Cool, so hopefully you guys like those little clips from last night. We literally just finished like recording a couple hours ago, right? So it's the day after, the night after, and that's completely masked off. We're gonna try to start like molding it onto it. While I do this, Patrick and Axel are gonna try wrapping like this whole side because, like I said, I'm trying to finish it tonight. If I can't, like latest for sure tomorrow morning or tomorrow at least, because it's not really like we're pretty much almost done. We literally just need this side, and
Everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.